What is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a cute, quick fall look. Are we in fall yet? The fall clothes, the fall makeup. Like, what are we doing around this time? Or are we still in summer a little bit? Like, you know, let me know. With that being said, you already know I'm trying to give a fall look. We're gonna be jumping right into eye, or should we jump into face first? Matter of fact, let's jump into face first, okay? Because I'm rushing. I got somewhere to be, so we're gonna jump into face first, okay? So we're gonna start off with the Happy Hydration by Elle. This is something I would definitely be taking into the fall because number one, it's like a Vaseline, so we definitely gonna be taking this into the fall. It hydrates your skin so good, and especially in the fall, that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some hydration, you know what I'm saying? So what's been going on, boo? What you been up to? You know, for me, self-care has definitely been a vibe this summer. You know, I'm just resting my brain, y'all, okay? All right, so for primer, we're going to be jumping into the Equalizer by Morphe and putting this right on the face, you know what I'm saying? We want something a little moist, you know? We ain't trying to be all stiff, you dig me? But yes, mind care has definitely been the bag. It's coming up a year of my mother passing. It's very, very difficult for me right now. I just feel like, you know, self-care, meditation, praying. We're gonna be jumping into foundation, and for foundation, we're gonna be jumping into the Huda Beauty. This is in the color Peanut Butter Cup. I like this. This one is good. So I'm gonna just take some and just put it right where I would want it, where I would have it at, you know what I'm saying? This is like the places, you know what I'm saying? What was I saying? Oh yeah, but yeah, so yeah, my mom is coming up on a year. Her birthday just passed, and that was like difficult, but it was okay. You know, I did pretty good. Now I'm starting to think about like the good times, the times that we shared, the times that we laughed, we loved. My mom was a strong woman. She was just so strong, you know what I'm saying? And she'd been through so much, and I've seen her go through so much. You feel what I'm saying? Like, she's at peace, she's in heaven, she's watching over me. She don't play about me still. You know, so I'm just trying to think about it in that type of manner. Speaking of mothers, I have to say this, but real quick before I say it, I want to let you know that we're jumping into the NARS for under the eye, and this is the walnut, this one is the biscuit, and we also will be jumping into the ELF Hello Hydration. Yeah, speaking of mothers, I wanted to say this because it touched my heart so bad. A young lady who unfortunately lost her life. I don't want to get all into it because it makes me cry. She had 6 children. Her name was Ashley Lockhart. Thinking of mothers, words cannot express how I feel. I literally cried because it's just so hurtful. Listen, just thinking about it is just like messing up my brain, messing up my train of thought. I will say that my heart, my love, and everything goes out to her family and goes out to her children and everybody. It touched me bad. You know, us as mothers, you know, we work hard, we sacrifice a lot. You know, and my mom, that's what she did for me. She sacrificed a lot. When she had me, she was only 16. You know, at the end of the day, my goal is to just think about like the good times, peace of mind, positive, and just having everybody that is around me positive too. It's very, very easy to ponder on your past and ponder on your trauma, especially when you've been through a lot of trauma. Having self-care is definitely the vibe. Taking care of yourself, you know, chasing your dreams. You know, I always encourage people to chase your dreams and do everything that you want to do. My thing is, if you're thinking about it and it's inside of your gut, that's clearly a sign. Why not just go for it? If you lose, you lose. So what? I've lost plenty of times. I did things and was like, all right, this is something that I want to do, and it didn't work out for me. I feel like if you don't try, you'll never know. Who's to say? And don't care about nobody else. If somebody say, oh, look at you, they might say, oh, look at Stacey, she doing makeup now. Yep, I showed the fuck is, bitch. How you doing? That's why I did the YouTube. I want to show people like this is a way you could do it. Now you could do your own makeup. You won't have to be paying people money to do it. You could do it yourself. That's the goal, you know? And that means for everything. My conversations are meaningful. I'm not sitting up here talking about no one. Have your conversations meaningful. If you sitting up there talking about somebody or this and that, just know you're a mess. And at this age, at my age, it's very embarrassing. Like, sit down. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we praying, we doing stuff. Like, and I hope all my boos pray. Please pray. It's very, very important to pray. When you're down, pray. When you up, pray. But yeah, boo. I'm still listening to Beyonce. Beyonce. Beyonce is still the bag. Oh, and Megan Thee Stallion. I'm her. I'm excited about the fall. I do have a new fall collection coming out. Oh yeah, real quick, for my contour I used the e.l.f. and this is in the color Rich Ebony. I'm about to jump into Mocha Mommy, because you know I'm trying to give you fall a little bit, so I'm gonna give you a little rouge. Okay. Ooh, I need to jump into the Laura Mercier in the color Honey, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little one size in there. I do a little concoction. Had to get quiet on y'all because you know I am going somewhere, so I do not want my makeup to be creasing, not at all. Okay, just to let you know, my boos that's new to my channel, I do have a line I've been doing for over a decade, baby. I've been doing it for a long time. I'm very excited about everything, especially this makeup, the way it's laying, what it's giving. And I didn't cry, y'all know I'm a cry baby. See, my boos that be watching me, they know I cry. You know, G's cry, okay? I'm a sensitive gangster, you dig me? Matter of fact, let me throw this Coco Naughty from Fenty Beauty real quick. I'm really excited about the fall, no lie. Like, I just love getting dressed and like doing like my eye looks and stuff like that in the fall. So yeah, I'm excited about the fall, baby. I love what it's giving. You love what it's giving? Just let me know. Just let me know what you love, what you love, what you like, what you do, okay? I'm a little goofy, but that's just who I am. Love me for me. Love me for me. For my nose, I'm going to jump into the Cream Contour by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Chocolate. I think this new chapter for me is basically, I think I'm learning patience. I don't know about you, but I be like, come on, Lord, like, stop playing. You dead serious? Why? What? Wait, what do you mean? I'm doing right. I only smoke weed now once a day. So you know I'm playing. I'm learning it. I'm learning it. You know, you depend on God, because that's who I depend on. You could depend on who you depend on. I'm telling you what I do, okay? But yeah, like, I depend on him. And I think once you really depend on him and walk by him, like, and not allow, like, you know, with your eyes and everything deceive you, I think you'll be so much better. Allowing everything to take its course and not sweating it. Don't sweat it. Don't allow God to take care of you, because he will, okay? You know, I be having these little creases on the side of my face, so I'm gonna just put a little something right here, a little something under these eyes. We're gonna jump into the Rumor 5 base, the P. Louise. Honey. So now, since we had that down, we're gonna jump into ABH Norvina palette. My favorite brown is in here, baby, okay? And we're gonna take E4, placing this right here, you know what I'm saying? Making you feel. It's like, no, y'all, I play too much. I'm a goofy kid. I used to make my mom laugh even when she was mad. She used to be like, get the fuck away from me. I used to be like, oh, you a beast, huh? If anybody watched Paper Soldier with Kevin Hart, when he be talking to Beanie Siegel, he be like, I'm a beast. He be like, oh, you a beast, huh? Cute. We're going to jump into Chestnut and basically push that and, like, you know, blend that out. Giving brown, giving neutral, giving like I'm that bitch, you know what I'm saying? I'm that girl. When you do this, you say, it's not my man. That's what you say. It's like, no, outer parts is where we is hitting. Ooh, that's already giving fall. All right, so now since we have that down, so I'm gonna just take a beauty blender. Sometimes your eyes will start creasing after a while, so you want to make sure it's not creased, you know, make sure they lay. Yeah, it's buff. We're gonna be jumping into buff. See, I had to like touch it real quick. Yeah, that's what I had to do. And we just tapping buff right on the lid. And I just really like this look. It's so easy. I love it so much, okay? This is like the best look, okay? So easy. I also take Dwindle and I put this on my bone. Take some mascara, lay these eyes down. And this is actually from e.l.f. This is the Lash Out Loud. I like this mascara because it really pulls your eyelashes. These are some of my favorite lashes from the hair store too, honey. I can't believe the year is almost over. Like, in a couple of months, we will be in 2023. Like, time do not wait for anybody. So, get your shit together. Get my shit together. I'm getting a lot better with lashes too, child, because I'm horrible with lashes and I don't even care. I don't care. Like, listen, if you looking that hard on my face to see if my lashes is in my line, you're a hater. You're a fucking hater. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the lashes is hit miss, you know what I mean? And sometimes I be hitting on them and sometimes I miss. Like I said, leave me in my line the fuck alone, okay? You can always tell when somebody be hating. You be like, oh yeah, so-and-so was cute. Yeah, she was cute, but their ponytail was lopsided. Why was you worried about this lady ponytail? You know what I have learned though, is a lot of people don't like to see you grow. And then if they see you grow and kind of like feel like you're surpassing them, they kind of like get mad and stuff like that. I think that is so corny because we all can learn from each other and build off of each other. That's my personal opinion. We're gonna jump into the trendsetter on the lips. We're gonna jump into some Mocha Mommy real quick, you know, dust it. So since I'm going out, I'm gonna jump into my Stay All Day Micro Setting Mist by e.l.f. It like locks your makeup really, really good, like no lie. It's still a hot girl summer, we still in summer, so we're definitely still gonna be jumping into the Hot Girl Sunset by Revlon. I'm gonna take this bottom, it's like a gold, it's really, really cute. And I'm just going to just dust that right there real good. You see how that just beams on your bone? Like, I'm definitely might be bringing this in with me in the fall. What's your intake on it? I should, right? I know. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna spray the face with this Luminous setting spray by Morphe. I use two. When I'm going out, I definitely use two setting sprays. I'm gonna be talking, I'm gonna be smiling. Hey girl! So since I know I'm gonna be doing all of those things, make sure I spray my face, lock it in. You dig me? So now we're gonna be jumping right into this P. Louise lip. This is the So You Can pink little lip. And you see how much that is? That's a lot. And then we're gonna jump into this Private Party. This has definitely been like my fave. I really love the way this look came out. I'm really, really ready for the fall, and I just feel like this is definitely a fall look. If you are feeling this look, do not forget to smash that like button. Also leave me a comment down below, my boo. Also, if you haven't subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. I do post every week. I love you so, so much. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.